doing this shit for nothing.
6 gang.
Yeah. I just FaceTime my nigga, he showed me 800 blues on the iPhone. Nigga diss me, he gon' put him on the news. Get him gone for the juice in my screws, kinda loose. We catch a nigga dangled in my goons tryna shoot. I just set a nigga up cause I need blues in the coupe, but I never change on gang. Go up loyalty and trust. I don't know if she my bitch, but she keep blowing me up. But I was down on my ass, she wasn't showing me love.
And I feel like yeah, Jordan, I blow in the club. If I want you, leave your nigga, cause I know he a scrub. And he probably up 10, I'm tryna up me a dub. I used to go to school. I was tripping off mud, couldn't even concentrate. I was gone off the drugs, kinda fucked up in the head. Wanna run off on my plug. If I want a nigga gone, pro mask, get it done. Finna drop a chain in the mud, shout out Golden Sun. Maybe I'm a dope boy. Boys wearing Air Force Ones.
We some dope boys, all my niggas stay at Air Force Ones. Treat niggas like my sons, niggas say that I'm the one. I feel like Lil Nutty, pussy ass nigga ain't got no love, yeah. Man, these little niggas poop us. Couple bands in your bitch eyes, get your boof up. My nigga cut a slide with 2Ks like the Ku Klux. Smoke coming off them 2Ks like a hookah. Man, these niggas out here wishing they could be us. Y'all niggas doing bad, trying hard just to keep up. I remember all them days on Carter, I ain't eat lunch. I'm trying to get my family straight so I can put my feet up. Hit a nigga fast, I shoot that boy with a shot or two. Get to talking brazy in the beat, then shock the booth. Call my goons up for big bucks, they gon' bust at you. Call my young nigga Steve up, he gon' duck on you. Where the fuck my shit at? I think I've lost it. My young dog will push your shit back if you cross me. I can't tolerate no needy bitch, how you lost me. My heart feeling like a snowman, call me Frosty.
Playing with them cars, I'm over there in bullshit. Feds on my ass, I had to get them bitches off. Sipping on this lean, and I think this shit's some coffee.
I'm ballin' hard as hell, dinner need a sponsor for Spalding. Playing with my nigga, cut a life, man, that's gon' cross you. He done fucked the last nigga up that tried to cross his head.
Had to cut a pussy nigga off cause he was talking. And I feel like Future, I can hear them perkies calling.
Her first time out the park, she get the twerking, then her falling. If my niggas really get into it, bitch, that's often, yeah.